Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to unfreeze or unblock Wise card. So simply when your card is stolen and you will find your card or any issues, you have simply just freeze your cards. So how to unfreeze it? So simply now how you can do it. Just you have to open your Wise account and after that go to home, and here you can find the cards option. So simply click here on cards option. So when you click on the cards option, what you need to do next, just you have to move to next page, and here you can see finally your card is freeze. Now how to unfreeze it? So this is very simple, just you have to click here, and when you simply click on this, so now here you can see your card is unfreezed. So in this way you can easily unfreeze your card on Wise. So now when you have unfreeze your card, simply you can do all the payments like online payments, physical payments. So you can use your Wise debit card in all the ways. So when it's unfreeze, it's mean your card is unblocked and you can make your payments online and send and receive money. So in this way you can unfreeze, unblock your debit card in Wise.